Here's another one of those problems I have addressed before, and I will probably continue to address in the future. An exterior stairway with debris, leaves, twigs, branches, and of course soil entering the side of the stairway and creating obstacles for the users of the stairway. Now, I wouldn't be as concerned with something like this if it's a stairway only used once every 10 years, but if you are going to be using the stairway a little more often, why not go ahead and put a board on the sides? It's a relatively cheap fix for something like this. However, I'd like to point out over here is the one that was right here. They will need to be replaced every once in a while as they rot, and this is a good example. It was the perfect picture for this video. We have the damaged board from this side that will need to be replaced. And of course, you could always keep the area clean. You could clean this stuff regularly, remove some of the dirt, get a little shovel in there, just keep fighting the thing. Or you could put a concrete curb in, and the concrete curb is going to cost the most out of the, it's going to be a little more costly than just placing a piece of wood on the side or moving some of the dirt and continuing to fight with it. So if you're looking for a solution for something like this, a concrete stairway with a curb might provide you with the best alternative. However, we cannot, we can't forget about repairs like this. And if you're looking at this and you're thinking, wait a minute, there's debris here too. Well, these bushes might need to be trimmed, or some trees. There might be some trees. These leaves don't look like they're coming from this bush. But it wouldn't be a bad idea to think about where you plant certain plants like trees and stuff like that, because little leaves like this do create a safety problem. How often are you going to clean a stairway like this? You know, that's kind of the key here. Is it something you want to maintain regularly? What happens when you don't maintain a stairway like this for a couple of weeks and you get some dirt in there, maybe a little bit of water, maybe a little mold, some moss maybe, and then you have a trip hazard. You have a safety issue. So again, sometimes you can spend a few dollars to save yourself some big headaches in the future, and a simple 2x10 or a 2x12 just might be the solution for that.